So I suggest viewers to the mechanics of this game is the first group to drop all three rings into the pole the fastest is the winner. And that's viewers.